Yada with Triggers Media. I'm one of the founders here for Triggers, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install ManyChat to your Facebook page. So just real quick, what is ManyChat? So in a nutshell, ManyChat is a software specifically designed for Facebook Messenger. They've been around for a few years now, and they've actually grown into now they're branding themselves as chat marketing. So they've started to go outside the Facebook Messenger platform, which entails SMS, email marketing. So that's pretty much what ManyChat is in a nutshell. So Facebook Messenger in past couple years, as you know, has grown very tremendously for Facebook, and a lot of businesses now have I mean, most businesses, just a lot of businesses that are not taking advantage of this opportunity that's available. And there's been some recent changes within the Facebook Messenger platform that you not able to do things as effectively as before. And that's due to privacy issues and things of that sort. So, but just want to give you that. So, full disclosure, Triggers is an agency partner with ManyChat, and we are also part of their affiliate program. So, I just want to let you know up ahead beforehand. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. And so, it's free to join. If you have a Facebook account, you can sign up using your Facebook account. So, I believe I'm already logged into my Facebook account. So, okay, so in this example, we're using a demo profile that we created for specifically for restaurants. This profile, it's not a real business, so I just want to let you know. Okay, so this is kind of what the dashboard looks like once you activate the or connect the Facebook page you're going to want for ManyChat software. The cool thing about it is you can connect as many pages as you want for this. There is a paid version for it. I believe it starts at $10 a month, and I not don't quote me. I might be wrong on this. It might be minimum 500 or 1,000, or the maximum subscribers 500 to 1,000. So, but yeah. So okay, so we're in here. So once you connect, this is kind of how it's going to look. So in this example, I kind of want to show you how you can kind of get a head start with the templates that ManyChat already has available, just depending on what kind of business you are. So in this example, we're going to use this profile, Triggers Kitchen Labs, for a restaurant. So really quickly, since I need to get to the menu, I'm going to go ahead and remove this camera. Let's see. Okay, cool. So right underneath settings, there's a button template. I think I'm going to kind of exit out. Okay. So yeah, in here, I'm going to go ahead and click templates. Okay, so as you see, there's a restaurant template, in the e-commerce business, general template professional services, automotive, real estate, coffee shop. This is for a loyalty program. So depending on what kind of business or this Facebook page that you're activating ManyChat for, it can be different templates. So so on this profile for this ManyChat account, I have this one, the restaurant. So let's just kind of go ahead and look at it. So here it's telling me there's two versions available. For now, let's just go ahead and start with the free. If you go ahead and click on free, it's probably going to tell me I already have it installed. Oh no, okay. So let's just say I'm going to install it. I already have it installed. So this is what it'll look like. You can kind of just get an overview. And what this is going to do, like I said, it's going to give you a head start. So it's basically going to install all this content, the template content. It's going to install all these tools already created for you. So all you're really going to have to do is just kind of follow these instructions right here. I don't want to kind of read through it. Just kind of give you a little snapshot of it. But below is the instructions, and if you want to copy and paste the link, engage with the bot, just so you can get a feel for it. And then below are the instructions. So install this template, provide all the information during the installation. It's pretty straightforward. Enter your restaurant name. And we're now kind of show you how that looks like right now. You all offer Wi-Fi at the restaurant or your food truck. So, and then the next thing all you're going to have to do is replace all the images, and pretty straightforward what you need to do. So, of course, it's going to tell you upgrade your template to Pro. This template has a Pro version that can do even more to upgrade your current template. Just uninstall. So basically, you would have to. So say we already installed the free template. So we would just go to settings and install templates. I'm not going to uninstall it, but it's right here. So I believe you click this button. Yeah, you see uninstall. But we're not going to delete it. So, okay, so let's go to the templates. And actually, excuse me about that. I am going to, what am I doing? Okay. Delete it. Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're actually going to go to flows. There's other things that ManyChat can do, just depending on what your goals are. You want to collect more emails and phone numbers, that requires a pro subscription. But look, you can also collect a flow. These are pretty cool automations, which they call them flows here, is set up that you can just kind of install and just edit the copy, the images, which I'm going to show you. So, okay, so we're in the ManyChat restaurant template for free. So, did I fix this one? Okay. So these are all the flows that come with the template. And pretty much all you're going to do is let's just start with the welcome message, because that's going to be the first message when someone inquires. This is the first message they'll get. So uh, there's this stock image here. So what we would do is just actually click edit flow, and you just click on the image. It'll ask you what kind of image you want. So you just plug it in. You can change up the message if you want. And then, so now here is where it can get a little tricky if you don't know what you're doing. So what in right here on the side is kind of how it would look on the Messenger platform. Hello, Bobby. Welcome to our restaurant. Please select one of the options or use menu buttons. So let's just say, and so one of the things that Facebook Messenger wants or is kind of required is that you always give them an option to unsubscribe to the user. So that's kind of set there by default. You can see it's right here. But hopefully no one wants to unsubscribe because they're reaching out to you because hopefully they're hungry or they want to place an order for your restaurant or make a reservation. So let's just say we click the about our restaurant. So when you click on that, it's going to show you what the next message is, and it's going to kind of give you a brief description of what the restaurant is. In this example, it's the same photo. You can replace that with another photo that you might have. And here we're just pretty much providing the hours. So the thing with this is you might have to walk through every single flow in here. If you know in the instructions, if we go back to actually here. Actually, it's in settings, I believe. Yeah, if we go over here to install templates, if you just oh, if you just follow the instruction, it's just kind of very vague. So my recommendation is you go through each of the flows, customize it to your preference as far as what images you want to include, what copy information that's very important that you want customers to know about. And then this is what I was going to show you. So at the very beginning, when once you install the template, this is kind of what's going to pop up first. How do you kind of fill out this information? And then you just put install, and then it's going to redirect to the flows. You can click on that. You can even change the name of this if you want. and just kind of go through each of single one of these and just make sure they're all customized to what you want. But yeah, I just wanted to share this real quick with you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Uh, Thanks for watching.